Storm Track weather with meteorologist Blaze Keller.
All right, we are going to be tracking the unhealthy air quality through the rest of this evening and most likely into at least the start of your Monday. But then seasonal temperatures return as well as a few chances for some rain. We're kind of looking at Monday into Tuesday as our best chance. 80 degrees, and you can see that smoke from those Quebec wildfires very clearly on our tower cam. We're looking downtown. There is the Capitol right there. Usually on a clear day, you can see beyond that, but because of the smoke, it's obviously inhibiting our visibility. Almost 90 in Boscobel, but not as many 90s out on the temperature map right now. That's because our winds are off the lake. Cold front passed yesterday. Cooler air is overhead right now, at least compared to yesterday. Now tomorrow we're probably going to be similar in temperatures, maybe a little bit warmer, and then the seasonal air returns for the rest of your upcoming work week. It's quiet. Again, a high pressure system continues to sit overhead, and on its edge we find showers and thunderstorms pushing across parts of Iowa. Normally we'd expect that weather to be moving from west to east, but because of this high pressure system, it is moving well off to our west. We got some rain off to our north. This is most likely going to move in as we go further into our Monday. But this is our best chance for rain. And you can see all of those active wildfires right now. And again, all that smoke is coming from that batch of wildfires off towards Quebec. You can see very clearly the purples marking that thicker smoke moving in now outside or out of Michigan, pushing into eastern parts of Wisconsin. So it is going to be sticking around through at least the overnight hours and slowly clear as we go throughout your Monday. Quiet, as I just mentioned, but let's walk through Future Track and see when the rain starts to move on in. We're looking at about 1 o'clock in the morning on Monday. Clouds slowly starting to fill in from our north. Looking ahead to the morning commute, probably will be dry, and I think even as the cold front moves its way southwards will be dry. But as we look ahead into the evening, I think the moisture maybe builds a little bit. We could maybe squeeze out a shower as we look ahead to about the late afternoon, early evening. That threat will continue overnight into the morning hours on your Tuesday. So the Tuesday morning commute could be a little bit on the wet side, but nothing too impactful. And then we'll hopefully, fingers crossed, keep that threat for showers, especially farther south and west as we go overnight Tuesday into Wednesday. Let's track when this smoke moves on out of here as well. Again, the purples indicate that thicker smoke. Watch as we walk into your Monday morning. Still going to be dealing with some of that thicker smoke, but then by Monday night into Tuesday, as that next front moves on through, we clear on out. So hopefully by Tuesday night, we'll say goodbye to that smoke, at least the thicker smoke. Maybe a little bit of a haze out there going into Wednesday, but for the most part, the thick smoke causing this poor air quality will be moving on out. What's not moving on in is any moist air. I think the moistest we're going to be is, if that's a word, on Tuesday. And then once another cold front passes on through, we dry on out. And again, that's probably going to cause some problems when it comes to our allergies. Tree pollen will be high, medium high tomorrow. But what it's also going to be causing is the lack of rain chances. You'll see here in the 7-day forecast. I'll skip over this, but that's the reason why we're not seeing any rain. Here's the 7-day forecast. With the dry air, we just can't get that rain from the clouds to go to the ground. So maybe when we see the moisture return, maybe by next weekend, that'll be our chance. But we'll kind of be sandwiched between two rain chances next week. 70s starting Tuesday with 80s maybe returning by Friday.
I will be glad when the hazy smoke leaves. It creates good sunsets, but
yeah,
it'll be nice when it's clear.
It will be.
Again.
I really want some rain. I heard some construction the other morning and I thought it was thunder and I got really excited.
Not the same.
No, it was not. Not only thunder, it was construction, so it was kind of annoying.
Okay.
To wake up to that noise and
yeah.
realize that it wasn't thunder.
Yeah.
You get my drift?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, moving on.